Good morning, welcome to Greece. I'm gonna stand outside. So we have been here 2 days, this is day 3, and I thought it was about time I picked up my camera and took you guys along with some of the adventures that we've been having. Guys, we've been having like the best time. We've really kind of reached that point now where we just feel like we're relaxing. We're having so much fun together, and yeah, this place is so beautiful. It is incredible. So today we are having an absolute chill day because we went to Oya yesterday and can't believe I forgot to take my camera. So dumb. But it was stunning. And however, we did do a lot of walking. So today we feel a little bit exhausted. And we feel like we just need a day to kind of just chill. So we've had breakfast here at our hotel. I'll show you some of our hotel in a little while. It is stunning, it's so cute, and everything here has just been perfect. And now we're just going to head out for coffee. We've kind of formed a little habit of going for morning walks and having coffee at this cliffside restaurant. This is our hotel. It's so small and so cute. So as you come in stairs, you've got like the reception area here, and then all these beautiful flowers, and these are actually grape trees. What do you call a grape tree? Anyway, these have grapes on them. And this is actually our room and terrace. There's Dan. Hi. And then there's obviously rooms like around the side. This is our pool. And yeah, it's like, this is it. It's so pretty. So this is our terrace. I think our room's being cleaned at the minute, so I won't show you inside the room. But yeah, we've got this like amazing like flower pots and trees, and yeah, it's so nice. This is the view. So we look down onto the pool. So we've got like our own little sun lounges up here, so we can actually just pop down to the pool when we need to, which is quite nice because we've got like a bit of privacy. And then this is our view. In the morning, there's people in the pool now. In the morning, the sunrise is here. I will try and capture that one morning this week. It is stunning, but yeah, this is all the ocean and it goes all the way around. And then this way is this is actually, we spend quite a lot of time down here. That's like part of the town, but yeah, super nice view. We have a little terrace. It's a little bit of a mess. We've just been trying to figure out if we need PCR tests and things to go home, and it turns out we do. It's so pretty in the evening. They light all these candles and all these olive trees everywhere. It's so nice. And the room itself is also a little bit of a mess because we've been here a few days, but yeah, the room itself is pretty simple, but it's super clean and nice. So just table, chairs, bed, wardrobe, little dressing area, little kitchenette, and they put like fresh flowers in every morning, which I think is so cute. What's this? Oh, it's our door key. I thought it was grapes. So yeah, I love these as well. Like we have these little windows you can like open out. Oh, it's just so pretty. Today we've just popped down to a place called Let's Eat. It was actually recommended to me by somebody I know through Instagram. Well, I know from other ways, but he recommended this to me on my Instagram. And it's like street food, Greek street food. It's nice and cheap. We've ordered way more than we need to, but yeah, I'm excited. It looks amazing. Proper Greek salad. All the feta, all the tomatoes, all the olives. So good. This is a souvlaki, which is a pita bread with, I think mine's chicken. I got chicken. Pink sauce, tomato, lettuce, and there's fries in it. But look how good that looks. Dan's going in for the first bite. Is this your chicken or your pork?
Pork as well.
And?
Nice.
Yeah, really good. It looks really good. Right, I'm gonna eat mine.
want to get my sexy hat in.
I want to get your sexy hat in, yeah. Good morning, guys. Today we are going on a boat trip. So excited. So we're going to get a catamaran from Amudi Bay, which is where we are currently. And it's going to take us all around the hot springs and the Cyclades and all the different islands and beaches that we necessarily wouldn't see driving around or being on foot. So yeah, it's going to be a fun day.
We'll try not to drown.
Always so positive. Little fact time. Santorini and the Cyclade Islands, which is where it is. I'm probably saying Cyclade wrong, so apologies if I am. But they were all formed from a volcano. The volcano erupted, formed all these islands. The volcano itself is actually still active. It last erupted in 1956, which actually isn't that long ago. And I think we are in it right now. So the crater is underwater and this is where we're swimming. So all of this like red rock you can see around the bottom, that is all from sulfur from the volcano that still obviously is in the water and is eroding and discolouring the rocks and area. So yeah, interesting. Probably best we don't think about the fact that there's a very active volcano below my feet right now. Good morning. I forgot to end the vlog again. I think I did this on the airport vlog too, so I don't know what's going on with me this week, but we had such a good day on the boat yesterday. We didn't actually stop to see that many places, which I was a little bit surprised about. But the day was still really, really fun. We had loads of fun just like jumping off the boat, swimming. We stopped in like one place for about 2 to 3 hours. About 2 to 3 hours. And for lunch whilst they cooked the barbecue and things, and lunch was really, really good. But we were just like hanging with the other people on the boat, like chatting away, jumping in. It was super, super fun. So yeah, it was a really good day. I am gonna end the vlog here because I'm aware that it might be getting a little bit long, and instead of one super long vlog, I'm gonna give you guys 2 separate vlogs. So I'm gonna end this vlog and then I am gonna be filming again today. Today we are hiring a little buggy and we're exploring the island. So how could I not vlog that? So I will see you guys in about 2 minutes and you will see me in a week. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next week. Take care, bye.